Let's start. Today we will see how to implement a list view drag and drop item in Flutter Android. Let's see the main.dart file. First, we import the material.dart package. Then, we create the stateless widget called MyApp in the main function. This is the MyApp stateless widget. We create a material app and apply a theme in the build function. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called MyHomePage. This is the MyHomePage stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _MyHomePage state. This is _MyHomePage state class. Here we will design our app. First, we have a list of strings as a data member. Here we have a list of ABCD alphabets. We will use this list to populate the list view. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget. We have used the title variable as the title of this app bar. The body attribute is set to the center widget. Inside that, we have a reorderable list view. In the children attribute we have designed how one item of the list view would look like. For that, we have used a card widget. The key attribute is very important here. This attribute holds the position of an item and carries it wherever we are going to drag and drop that item in the future. In the child attribute of the card widget, we have a sized box widget. Inside that, we have a text widget. This is the onReorder attribute. Here we call the reorder function. This function is wrapped inside a set state block so that whenever we drag and drop some items, their states are updated accordingly. This is the reorder function. Here we adjust the drag-drop functionality of an item. When an item is dragged, we remove it from its original position and place it in a new position inside the ABCD list. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can create a list view in Flutter Android. Thank you.